Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to send automatic emails in Jira. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your Jira dashboard and navigate to the project where you want to set up automation. Once you've located the project, click on the three dots next to its name and select Space Settings from the drop-down menu. This will open the project's settings page where you can access various customization options. Now, look for the Automation tab on the left-hand side and click on it. The automation feature in Jira is extremely powerful. Once inside the automation section, click on Create Rule to begin setting up your first email automation. The first step is to choose a trigger, which determines what event will cause the email to be sent. You can select from options like Issue Created, Issue Updated, Issue Transitioned, or even Scheduled if you want emails to be sent at regular intervals. After selecting a trigger, click Add Component and choose New Action. From the available action types, select Send Email. Now it's time to configure the email details. In the To field, you can manually enter email addresses. Next, fill out the subject line. Then, move on to the email body, where you can add the necessary details about the notification. You can also include optional settings such as CC recipients, a reply to address, and formatting options to make your message more readable. Once you've finished setting everything up, click Next to review your automation rule. Here, click on Turn On Rule. Before activating it, give your rule a descriptive name so it's easy to identify later. You can also define who can edit the rule to maintain control over project automations. Finally, click Turn On Rule in the top right corner to activate it. And that's it. So that is how you can send automatic emails in Jira. So that's all for this video. Thanks.